Demonstrations for and against abortion rights outside the U.S. Supreme Court were smaller on Tuesday than they were last week, but no less passionate.
It's terrible. It's barbaric. It's a step backwards. It's tied in nature to the voter repression laws.
Without life, there is no liberty, there is no freedom, and there is no the opportunity to pursue happiness.
Tall fences were erected outside the nation's top court over the weekend after several days of noisy demonstrations in Washington and around the nation. In the next few weeks, the court is expected to decide the future of Roe v. Wade, the landmark 1973 ruling that made access to safe, legal abortions a constitutional right in the U.S. If it's overturned, at least half the U.S. states, mostly led by Republicans, are expected to restrict or end abortion access. Some of those laws could go into effect as soon as Roe v. Wade is struck down. That's despite polls showing that 60% of Americans support abortion access in most cases. Wednesday's vote by the Senate to codify abortion rights into U.S. law is not expected to pass. But the Democratic leader of the Senate says he wants Republicans to go on the record.
And every American will see how every senator stands. They can't duck it anymore.
Abortion rights supporters say current federal protections for other rights, like birth control access and same-sex marriage, are at risk if the court dumps Roe v. Wade. Law enforcement agencies around the country are warning of potential violence whenever the final Supreme Court decision does come down. Specifically, reportedly, online chatter about right-wing violence against abortion rights supporters. But those against abortion say they are threatened. An anti-abortion group in the U.S. state of Wisconsin was hit with Molotov cocktails over the weekend. And protests continue outside the homes of Supreme Court justices who are apparently set to overturn abortion rights. But there is agreement from both sides on the potential for violence ahead.
It's a type of civil war on the horizon.
Andy Roschen, TRT World, Washington.